What you're looking at is a Bosch fuel pump. This pump is used on the Volkswagen Vanagon and probably dozens other cars around the late 80s and 90s. This is a cutaway here. Obviously there's a metal housing that typically is over top of this. But what I wanted to show you is how well engineered this pump actually is. This pump is actually one aluminum case, one piece extruded aluminum. The only thing that seals this end is this big rubber O-ring that actually failed on this pump. Years before this, I repaired this pump in this area. This is epoxy here, and you can see where the epoxy actually went through to the inside, and that's where a leak was. But other than that, these pumps almost never fail. This has got to be the one of the most prematurely replaced parts on a lot of cars. A lot of people replace these because other manufacturers, other style pumps fail on a regular basis, where this pump almost never fails because of pressure. In this area there's a pre-filter. Keeps big chunks from clogging up the pump. This is the actual pump, this piece in here. Might be able to see that thing moving in there. And what's interesting about this is the pump just dumps fuel into this area, and the fuel dumps right onto the brushes in the motor in here. If the pump is overpressured, there's a check valve right here built into the system where it'll just bleed off pressure back into the pump. It's a very well, simple engineered piece of equipment.